Good morning, dear students. In the last Zoom class, we have discussed about the Rutherford's alpha scattering experiment, then Rutherford's atomic model. Okay. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the topic. The name of our topic is distance of closest approach. Distance of closest approach. Since the distance of closest approach tells us the idea about the size of nucleus, so I can write here size of nucleus. Size of nucleus. Okay. Now, actually, what is the meaning of the distance of closest approach? Okay. For example, it is the gold atom which was taken in the Rutherford's alpha scattering experiment, gold atom, for example. Whenever alpha particle is incident on the gold atom, since there is the nucleus at the center of the gold atom, and on the nucleus there is the positive charge, and on the alpha particle there is also positive charge, and there is the force of repulsion between the like charge. So whenever alpha particle approaches the nucleus of the gold atom, then it will reach the gold atom up to the minimum distance. After that it will get reflected back, because on the alpha particle and on the nucleus of the gold atom there are the positive charge. So, minimum distance of the alpha particle from the nucleus on which that alpha particle is incidenting, that minimum distance is known as distance of closest approach. That minimum distance, this minimum distance is known as distance of closest approach. कि उतना नियर उसके वो आ सकता है जो अल्फा पार्टिकल है. एंड फ्रॉम दिस वैल्यू you can take the idea of size of the nucleus. Now it's clear to you what is the meaning of the distance of the closest approach. It is the minimum distance from the nucleus up to which an alpha particle directly travel toward the nucleus before coming into the rest, because after that it will retrace its path. Clear? And the distance of the closest approach is denoted by R naught. The distance of closest approach is denoted by R naught. You can write its definition. It is the minimum distance. It is the minimum distance कहाँ से? From nucleus. From nucleus up to which alpha particle which is traveling towards the nucleus can move before coming to the rest. Can move before coming to the rest. Okay students, it is the definition of distance of closest approach which is denoted by R naught. It means it is the minimum distance. It's clear from the heading that it is the distance, but it is the minimum distance किसका किसके साथ डिस्टेंस, अल्फा पार्टिकल का डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम न्यूक्लियस अप टू विच अल्फा पार्टिकल विच इज ट्रेवलिंग टुवर्ड द न्यूक्लियस कैन मूव बिफोर कमिंग टू द रेस्ट, because at this point after the closest approach alpha particle will come to the rest, means to say that its whole kinetic energy will get converted into its potential energy. Now by applying the law of conservation you can calculate the radius of the nucleus, you can calculate the distance of closest approach, you can calculate the distance of closest approach. How? Total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy, right? And according to law of conservation of energy, according to law of conservation of energy, total initial energy is equal to total final energy, right? Initial energy, total initial energy will be the sum of initial kinetic energy, initial potential energy. I means initial, and total final energy will be the sum of final kinetic energy and final potential energy. Now initially when alpha particle is at the infinity and at the infinity potential energy is 0, so you can say that initial potential energy is 0. And kinetic energy, you know that what is the formula of kinetic energy? Half mv square. M is the mass of alpha particle, v is the velocity with which alpha particle is traveling toward the nucleus. Now since at the distance of closest approach particle is at rest, rest means velocity is 0, velocity 0 means kinetic energy will be 0, so final kinetic energy will be 0. What will be the final potential energy? Potential energy is potential into charge. What is the formula of potential energy? Potential into charge, potential into charge. What is the charge on alpha particle? Charge on alpha particle is twice the charge on the proton, means to say the charge on alpha particle is 2e. What is the potential? How you can calculate potential? Q over 4 pi epsilon naught r. Since in this case Q will be the charge on the nucleus, for example it is not gold, it is some other atom whose atomic number is Z, so what will be the charge on the nucleus? The charge on nucleus will be Ze. So potential is charge Q in the place of Q, here will be Ze over 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the distance here? Distance here will be r naught, distance of the closest approach. It will be the potential energy. I am putting here Ze 2e 4 pi epsilon naught r naught. Okay students, now by applying this law of conservation of energy you can calculate the distance of closest approach. What will be the expression for distance of closest approach? Just make some calculation and we will derive the final expression for distance of closest approach. The final expression for distance of closest approach will be r naught, I am writing on the left hand side, and on the right hand side there will be Ze 2e over 4 pi epsilon naught. Now half mv square I will write here. It is the distance of the closest approach. Okay students, if you put the value of Z in this expression as 79 for gold atom, what is the value of E? You know very well, the value of E is 1.6 into 10 raised power minus 19 coulomb. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught की value you know, 9 into 10 raised power 9, and mass of electron and velocity. Okay, here will be the mass of alpha particle. Since here is not electron, here is the alpha particle which is incidenting on the atom. So here you will put the mass of proton, which is this one, and since it is the alpha particle, so you will multiply the mass of proton with 4, क्योंकि अल्फा पार्टिकल क्या होता है, हीलियम का एटम होता है, हीलियम का मास नंबर 4 है एंड एटॉमिक नंबर 2 है, तो उस पर मास कितना होगा, 4 टाइम्स द मास ऑफ प्रोटॉन, दैट्स व्हाई आई मल्टीप्लाई द मास ऑफ प्रोटॉन विथ 4. Okay, what was the velocity? Velocity was 2 into 10 is power 7. When students you will put these values in this expression, you will get that what is the approximate value of the radius of nucleus. Approximate value you will get that 2.69 into 10 is power minus 14 meter. It is the radius of nucleus. It is the radius of nucleus. Okay students, so whenever there is the topic size of nucleus means the radius, because the size of nucleus, size of atom is expressed in terms of radius. So from this topic question may like this, what is the meaning of distance of closest approach, derive the expression for distance of closest approach, calculate the approximate size of nucleus by applying the concept of distance of closest approach. Okay students, distance of closest approach, it is the minimum distance from the nucleus up to which alpha particle which is traveling toward the nucleus can move before coming to the rest, and by applying the law of conservation of energy you can derive the simple expression for the distance of closest approach, and by putting the value of Z, E, M and V you can calculate, you can approximate the size of nucleus. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.